Don't ask me how I do it. I just do it. I don't know. I just do it. I just do it. I just do it. Hey. Started out with nothing but wanted everything. Hey. Turned it to reality. Started as a dream. Yeah. Ran that money up and I built my own team. Grew up watching Master P and Baby on the TV screen. Yeah. I had to host my family full of dope fiends. Years go by, 18, 19.
Smoking on the stick and he can make a tree set. Stuffing on these niggas like they a fucking mat. He got his ass big, so I put out the gate. I ain't stunning these niggas, they ain't about that, they ain't about that. So sit back, stay strapped, be wet, get glad, don't be mad. Yeah. Every Friday I'm paid. I need the plus.
Get it.
Up, I need a Q.
Hey, man.
Hey, I carry
Fuck, man. Bad news. God damn! Well, let's just say I have 1 week left with my baby. And then she's going away for a month. Why? Because fucking transmission. Got the P0730 code. Took it to the dealership. They said it's gonna be about a month. Till they get all the parts and stuff. So, she's gonna be in the shop, getting her transmission broke down and everything. So, I'm not gonna have her for a month. But they're gonna set me up with a rental, whatever that may be. Hopefully it's something nice. But I'm supposed to take it to the dealership, whenever they call me. By Friday, I guess. So I have 1 week. So I'm just gonna fuck it up all week. I'm just gonna fuck it up, cause I'm not gonna see her for so long. Oh man, a month without my baby. I ain't had her a month. The fuck. Oh well. Well. Like I said, I always say I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason.
Moving pounds on the ground, call me self-made.
Yeah, baby.
Out to that loud, I've been counting jugs all day.
I didn't even record that shit. That shit was ridiculous, bro. Nigga driving dumb as a bitch. That shit. Oh yeah, okay. It's that. Oh, it's that socket set back there, boy. I was like, boy, what is squeaking on my turns? That's crazy. There's a socket set back there. Oh man, every time I hear it, every time I made a turn, it said eek. I was like, no. I'm gonna get that shit out the seat. It's scaring me and shit. Man, I'm really not finna have this bitch for a whole month, bro. I just got it to where I really, man. It's crazy. It's okay though. It's not okay. But yeah, it's gonna be okay, cause look, you know what I'm saying? They gonna get in there, they gonna, you know what I'm saying, work on the transmission. You know, basically rebuild that bitch. Man, I feel like that bitch gonna take longer than a month though. Like a month, and be like, no, we still ain't got the parts in, so 2 months, and then 3 months, and then like month 4, transmission still out, she ain't been driven, still in the shop, got parts, but they the wrong parts. You know what, let me stop. Hear that, listen to that beat. Oh my gosh. Watch out for them potholes. Watch out for them potholes. Watch out for them potholes. Oh, that's fucking. For the. Eat, eat, eat. Huh? Eat, eat, eat. Huh? Eat, eat, eat. Huh? Eat, eat, eat. Alright, fuck it. Eat, eat, eat. Eat, eat, eat. Eat, eat, eat. Eat, eat, eat. And turn. Eat, eat, eat. And turn. Eat, eat, eat. Yeah. Big wood, big wood. That's that oak cedar. Oak cedar right there. Watch me eat, eat, eat. Eat, eat. Shut your ass up, nigga. Watch me eat, eat, eat. Yeah. Back in the motherfucking wheel. To work. To work out. To work. To work out. And man, I'm really not feeling it today. I'm really not feeling it. Like, I'm just. Man. Yeah. Anyway, I'm finna go and get the day started, man. Hope you enjoyed the little ride with me. And, yeah. Blah. Oi, what? I'll tell you what do smack. Ice cream cereal. That ice cream in there, eat. Like that. Okay. Milk in there, eat. Don't do too much, cause you know what I'm saying. Once the ice cream out, that's gonna be your milk. Yeah. Ice cream cereal. Smack, I'm saying. And the better the cereal, the better the ice cream cereal. Ice cream cereal. Ice cream cereal. Ice cream cereal. For the win.